Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important question answer of the story 3-Day Blow. Let's begin. The 3-Day Blow, Ernest Hemingway story. Characters: Nick, Marjorie's boyfriend; Bill, Nick's friend; Marjorie left Nick; mother, Marjorie's mother; fathers, Nick and Bill's father; autumn season, story occur; Bill's house, kitchen, garden; symbols: the cold wind ended love affair; the rain, Nick's crying for his separation; hard wind or storm, Nick's mental disturbance; burning fire, comfort and consolation to Nick; blowing hard to slow, Nick's problem decrease; 7 scenes, dramatic story. Summary: It was autumn season. The biting cold wind was blowing hard. शरद ऋतुको बेला थियो. कठ्याङ्ग्रिने चिसो हावा बगिरहेको थियो. The apples had been picked up. स्याउहरू टिपिसकेको थियो. Nick was in a great tension, so he went Bill's house. निकलाई एकदमै ठुलो तनाव थियो, त्यसकारणले ऊ बिल्टरको घर गयो. When Nick reached Bill's house, Bill came out to welcome him. जब निक बिलको घरमा पुग्छ, बिल चाहिँ निकलाई स्वागत गर्नको लागि बाहिर निस्किन्छ. They stood outside the house and looked the scenes for a while. तिनीहरू दुवैजना घरको अगाडिपट्टि उभिन्छन् र अगाडिको दृश्य हेर्छन्. They went into the house and sat near the burning fire. तिनीहरू घरभित्र छिर्छन् र आगोको छेउमा गएर बस्छन्. After some time they began to drink. केही समयपछि तिनीहरू पिउन सुरु गर्छन्. They talked about baseball, their favorite writers, their books, their fathers, hunting and fishing. र तिनीहरूले बेसबल, आफ्नो मनपर्ने राइटरहरू, किताबहरू, आफ्नो बुवाको बारेमा, शिकार र फिशिङ धेरै कुराहरूको बारेमा कुरा गर्छन्. Bill's father allowed him to drink from an open bottle, but Nick's father never allowed him to drink. बिलको बुवाले खोलेको बोतलबाट उसलाई पिउन अनुमति दिन्छन् भने निकको बुवाले रक्सी खानै हुँदैन भनेर अनुमति नै दिएको हुँदैन. The fire was burning low, so Nick went to back porch for some firewood. आगो निप्न थालेपछि निक पछाडिको पिँढीमा गएर दाउरा लिएर आउँछ. While coming back a log, Nick dropped a pan of apricots off from the kitchen table. जब निक दाउरा लिएर आइरहेको हुन्छ, उसले एउटा प्यानमा राखेको एप्रिकोटको भाँडामा ठोकिन्छ र सबै किचनभरि पोखिन्छ. Then he collected the apricots and put some water into the pan. त्यसपछि उसले सबै एप्रिकोटहरू जम्मा गर्छ र त्यो भाँडामा राखेपछि पानी पनि हालिदिन्छ त्यो भाँडामा. Bill helped him to put the log into the hearth. बिलले त्यो दाउराहरू आगोमा चुलोमा हाल्नको लागि सहयोग गर्छ. Bill began to search for alcohol and Nick went to the kitchen to bring some water to mix with the alcohol. त्यसपछि बिलले चाहिँ रक्सी खोज्न थाल्छ घरमा र त्यति बेला निक चाहिँ किचनमा गएर पानी लिएर आउँछ त्यो रक्सीमा मिसाउनको लागि. Bill helped him to put the log into the hearth. In the kitchen, he saw a mirror on the wall and smiled, winked at the image. किचनमा राखेको ऐनामा हेरेर ऊ हाँस्छ, आँखा झिम्काउँछ. As he came back with water, they began to drink again. जब निकले पानी लिएर आउँछ, त्यसपछि तिनीहरू दुवैजना पिउन सुरु गर्छन्. The Bill said it was good the Marjorie left Nick. Nick kept quiet and thought about Marjorie. जब बिलले चाहिँ मार्जोरीले तिमीलाई छोडेर ठिकै भयो भनेर भन्छ, त्यसपछि निकले टाउको तल झुकाएर मार्जोरीको बारेमा सोच्न थाल्छ. Bill went on talking. He said that it was good for Nick that Marjorie left him. बिलले कुरा गरिरहेको हुन्छ त्यति बेलासम्म मार्जोरीले तिमीलाई छोडेर ठिकै भयो भन्ने कुराहरू गरिरहेको हुन्छ. Her family was very bad. उनको परिवार एकदमै नराम्रो छ. Her mother was mean. उनको आमा एकदमै तुच्छ स्वभावकी हुन्छन्. Her mother said that Marjorie and Nick were engaged, although they were not. उनको आमाले मार्जोरी र निक को इन्गेजमेन्ट भइसकेको कुरा बताउँछिन् जबकि तिनीहरूको भएको हुँदैन. She told Marjorie every time what to do and what not to do. Nick had to work hard to earn, but his money spent on dinner and drinks. मार्जोरीको आमाले मार्जोरीलाई चाहिँ के गर्नुहुन्छ के गर्नु हुँदैन भनेर सम्झाइराख्ने हुन्छन्. निकलाई जति कडा मेहनत गरेर पैसा जम्मा गरे भने पनि उसको खानपिनमा नै त्यो पैसा सकिरहेको हुन्छ. They were not allowed to stay and enjoy together if Nick had married her. बिलले त्यतिखेर निकलाई सम्झाउँदै गरिरहेको बेलामा तिमीहरू र मार्जोरीको बिहे भएको भए हामीहरू यसरी बसेर पिउन पनि पाउने थिएनौँ, रमाइलो गर्न पनि पाउने थिएनौँ भनेर भन्छ. Now Nick realized that their love ended suddenly as the 3-day blow. अहिले आएर निकलाई लाग्छ यो 3 दिने हुरी जसरी सिद्धियो तिनीहरूको प्रेम पनि त्यसरी नै सिद्धियो भनेर उसलाई महसुस हुन्छ. He also thought that everything on the earth is changeable and so happened to his love. उसलाई लाग्छ पृथ्वीमा भएका हरेक कुराहरू परिवर्तनशील छन् र आफ्नो प्रेम पनि त्यही परिवर्तन भएको भनेर उसलाई लाग्छ. Bill consoled him and felt light. जब बिलले उसलाई सान्त्वना दियो त्यसपछि उसलाई हलुको महसुस भयो. Then he agreed to go hunting with Bill. त्यसपछि ऊ बिलसँग शिकार खेल्न जानको लागि सहमति हुन्छ. When they came outside, the wind was blowing slowly and listened their father's gun firing. जब तिनीहरू बाहिर आए त्यसपछि त्यतिखेरसम्म हावा पनि रोकिन लागिसकेको हुन्छ र तिनीहरूको बाबाहरूले जो गन फायरिङ गरिरहेको हुन्छन् त्यसको आवाज पनि सुन्छन्. Long question. Discuss the 3-day blow as a dramatic story. The 3-day blow is a dramatic story by the most influential author Ernest Hemingway. He had won the Nobel Prize in 1954 for his book The Old Man and the Sea. Nick is the main character of the story. There is the other character named as Bill, who was the sincere friend of Nick. The rain stopped as Nick walked into the road that went up through the orchard, but the fall wind was blowing. The road came to the orchard onto the top of the hill. There was a cottage which belongs to Bill and his father. Nick went to the cottage. Bill came out and welcomed him and let him inside the room. Bill and Nick viewed the natural beauty. They talked about weather and the blowing wind. Bill said that the wind would blow like that for 3 days. They went inside the cottage. They drank wine sitting by the fire. They talked about the games, especially the baseball game. books, swimming, and their fathers. Once Nick fell in love with a girl named Marjorie. They had planning to marry also, but unfortunately their relationship broke down because of the bad attitude of her mother, who disliked Nick and spread rumors that Nick had already got engaged. Perhaps they would never see each other again. Nostalgia made Nick sad and upset and felt isolated, but again he thought that what had happened in the past might have been good. This feeling made him happy. Bill and Nick started to talk as previously. Carrying guns, they went out for hunting delightfully. Short questions. What is the relationship between the 3-day blow and Nick's mental condition? There is a clear similarity between the title, The 3-Day Blow, and the mental misery Nick goes through. The movement starts from his mental conflict, grow with suffering, and end with a sense of reconciliation. When a storm comes, everything in nature is taken by surprise, and before giving enough time, a lot of damage is done. Similarly, Nick and Marjorie quarrel, and before they can handle the situation, they get separated. It disturbs Nick mentally. On the second day of storm, when the leaves of the tree are blown away, it looks pathetic. The condition of Nick is also same. He suffers a lot due to his separation from Marjorie, who is blown away like a leaf in the storm from Nick's life. The suffering goes as the time passes. On the third day, when the storm is over, there comes a new chances for new creation in the nature. Similarly, at the last of the story, we find Nick hopeful about his reunion with his beloved. This sense gives him mental peace. What did Nick and Bill talk about? Nick and Bill talked about many things during their drinking time. They talked about the beauties of autumn season, good looks garden, drinks, their father's attitudes and baseball, their favorite writers and books, hunting and fishing. They talked about Marjorie's business and Bill's consoled Nick. What is the Marge business? How is that related with Nick's life? Marge is the actress of the story who is off-stage character. Her business is the fundamental subject of the story. Most of the story based on her. Nick loves her very much, but unfortunately he can't manage money to make her family happy. And Bill doesn't like his engaged because of her wicked mother. She is so mean that she always guides her what to do and what not to do as a child to her daughter. Bill thinks that their friendship will definitely break down if he marries her. How do Nick and Bill try to be practical? They both became mature person because both talked of their future seriously. When Nick was coming in with the lock through the kitchen, in passing he knocked a pan off kitchen table. He laid the log down and picked up the pan and its contents. He put them back in their places. Bill, to be practical, went to help Nick put the log in fire. Even in drunkard mood, they talked about the merge. Nick determined never to talk about it again, so we can say that Nick and Bill now trying to be practical, matured and serious of their lives. Describe the last or seventh scene of the dramatic story, The 3-Day Blow. In the seventh and the last scene, Nick looks a comforted person. He has succeeded in getting over the suffering or separation. He became more practical than before. He feels comfortable, calm, and happy. Though the Marge business is not completely out of his mind, but it does not occupy his mind as tensely as it did before. It is just another of thought and made up mind to do something. In this very scene, they take guns and go out on hunting. The story is presented in sequence of approximately 7 scenes. Can you find them? The 7 scenes, excluding the opening and exposition, could be as following. Scene 1. Nick and Bill meet outside the cottage. Scene 2. They sit near fire, drinking and talking. Scene 3. Nick brings a chunk through the kitchen. Scene 4. They put the large piece on the fire. Scene 5. Nick looks at the mirror while coming with water from kitchen. Scene 6. They again sit near fire, drink and talk about Marjorie, Nick's beloved. Scene 7. They come out of cottage for hunting with their shotguns. Describe the 3-day blow as a dramatic story. The 3-day blow can be called a dramatic story for a couple of reasons. They are the maximum use of dialogues and the scenes and the scenic division in the story. Actually, the elements like plot, character, setting and theme are shared by other genres of literature as well. We can find the use of dialogues and actions are minimal in fictions. They rely on narration most of the time. Therefore, the story The 3-Day Blow by Ernest Hemingway seems quite close to a drama. Thank you for joining with me in this video lesson, and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lesson continuously, and keep suggesting us. See you soon.